Hi guys, so it's JC's birthday. Hi. What do you guys want to say to JC? Say happy birthday first. Hi, Hugo. Okay, play there. Okay, so here's our food.
Oh, yan. Okay na speaking, sabi wala pa sa food. Wala nga, wakoy, siopan. So guys, yan ang mga food natin. Very simple birthday celebration. Sa mga bata dyan, ako muna. Pagkira lang. So, mga bata, muna dito at kakain na tayo. At mamaya may games tayo dyan. We will have the game.
Wow.
Okay.
Got cake.
Hindi mo magsalita. Ayun na.
Oh, that's not cake. That's
No, that's not. That's chocolate. Okay, what else? Oh, yan na may mga... Oh, yan yung lang. Nauna pa.
So hungry. Wala pa lang. Kaya kulang din na.
Ay, natapos ko.
Let's go to left. Hey, what do you want to say?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi.
Close open. Say happy birthday, happy birthday. Kiss mom kayo. Kiss mo siya. Kiss mom.
Happy birthday, Ate JC. What are you gonna say to your birthday?
Thank you.
For what?
Thank you for the love.
What the heck? Okay, we're gonna eat though. Bye.